So let me show you a quick demo of what's inside wpfs 5. Now in the new version, we've added GDPR settings that actually make your sites compatible with GDPR, and we've also made monetization options in this plugin which makes your site make money on complete autopilot. Also, we've added a lot more smaller features that actually make this a must-have plugin to create your sites using WordPress. Now you can see two options here. That's the quick settings and the advanced settings option. Now the advanced settings lets you quite deeper, but let's first go into the quick settings option here. Now here you can see a list of 7 steps, and all these 7 steps let you quickly set up your sites. So you start with the content settings, enter your site title, tagline. You can erase all the posts and pages. You can create content pages like about us, contact us, HTML sitemaps, create blank pages if you want, create posts, sample content, create categories, tags, delete all comments, stop comment spam, do all the comment settings, and also you can do legal settings that are basically about privacy policy, terms of use, cookie policy, and we have a separate section for that in the legal area. And next, you can go into the GDPR settings and then actually have some quick GDPR settings like cookie consent, EU traffic settings, add checkbox to contact forms, and also force TNC acceptance. We also have a detailed GDPR settings page which has a lot more features to completely cover you with GDPR. And next, you can also install multiple plugins at the same time and add a bunch of plugins at the same time if you want to quickly install plugins. Next, we have a bunch of security settings we have added, like forcing HTTPS on the front end, forcing HTTPS in admin, disable right click, and all those things. SEO settings like changing your permalinks, creating XMLs, and also some other settings like adding your Google Analytics code and also your Facebook pixel code and Google Webmaster. Now this basically completely sets up your site in just a few seconds, and this is the quick settings option. We can also go into the advanced settings, and you have all these options one by one that you can dive in and then configure each one in detail if you want. Now we've made a massive amount of updates in the legal part of this plugin, which means now you can actually create more legal pages like privacy policies, terms of use, and all these amazing pages that are required for your site. You can also show a cookie warning according to the new EU laws and basically add any text you want and only show this to the cookie visitors, to the EU visitors basically if you want. Also, we have added an amazing privacy policy generator. Now, we have not seen any other plugin have this, but you can actually create your own privacy policy based on your information and then enter the information you have about your company or your business or yourself, and then actually just fill out a few simple fields and it will create a customized privacy policy and according to your own site. Just keep adding the information that you need and you will be able to instantly generate a privacy policy that applies to your site. And at the end of this, you will be able to generate a privacy policy that you will be able to preview and also edit if you want. You can also append this to an existing page and save it there, or you can actually create a new page out of it. So this is how it actually comes out, and you can see if you want to edit this, it's a page on your site and you can completely change this if you want. Also, you can do the same thing for terms and conditions as well as the cookie policy. So just fill out the information and basically select some boxes and you will be able to create your own cookie policy and create a GDPR compliant cookie policy in just a few steps. All right, we have a lot more options for the GDPR and you can actually configure all of those to be compatible with GDPR and be compliant. It also shows a cookie consent warning and then logs all the cookie consents in your site itself. So you have complete history, and also you can create data breach notifications and data access requests, data rectification requests, and also basically block visitors from different places if you want. And you can also add checkboxes to comment forms and contact forms so that you have all those as are completely GDPR compliant as well. All right, so these are some amazing features we have added to make your sites GDPR compliant. Now, as you can see, this plugin basically covers everything you need to be GDPR compliant, and that's why you need to use this plugin every time you set up your sites. Now, with the monetization part, we've added inline links. So automatic inline links can be linked to affiliate offers and they can be part of any of your content pages or posts, and they'll automatically link to an affiliate offer of your choice. We also have the Amazon option to make money. Just add your Amazon key and add your Amazon affiliate ID, and you will be able to automatically show Amazon ads based on the content of your pages and the category you have chosen. And we have a lot more options on how many ads you want to show, images, prices, what text you want to add before or after the text, after the ads, and also where you want to show these ads, whether they should be at the end of the post or the beginning of the post. And once you save these Amazon ads for specific products and categories will automatically show on your site. Let me just quickly show you how that looks. So when you go in and see this for a page, you will see that how it looks. So now you can see these ads are appearing at the end of the post, and these are easy to click, and you will be able to instantly get results and start making money from your sites, no matter what kind of site you have and no matter what kind of content you have. Amazon has a lot of products and you will be able to make money. And that's why WP Fresh Start 5 is a must-have plugin for your site, and you will have all these amazing settings inside this plugin to set up your site in a great way, in a very, very easy way.